activist and musician Moby once proposed a question. Could you look at an animal in the eyes and say to it, "My appetite is more important than your suffering"? If your answer is no, then you might want to consider looking into the delicious alternatives the vegan world has to offer. I have to be honest, the first time I heard this question, it made me think twice about the decisions I was making. One of the options I found in my research was veganism. Now, let me ask you a second question. Have you ever asked yourself, what is a simple lifestyle change I can do to help the environment? If the answer is yes, then don't worry, I'm here to help. After being vegan for the past 6 years and vegetarian since I was 8, I can assure you this is that one change you can implement today to help create a bigger change in the world. Therefore, today I'm here to inspire you to give veganism a try. First, I'll explain what veganism is. Then I'll explore the personal benefits of becoming vegan. And finally, I'll help you understand the greater good in the world you will help do. Let me begin by telling you about the amazing world of veganism. I know that when most people think of veganism, the first thing that comes to mind is a big plain plate of lettuce. But let me tell you, it's a lot more fun than that. According to the UK's NHS, a vegan diet contains only plants and food made from plants, such as vegetables, grains, nuts, and fruits, as stated in the article The Vegan Diet, published in August of 2018. Essentially, it means that you only consume foods that does not imply the utilization of another living and breathing being in any way. Yes, this sometimes leaves you thinking that basically all of our favorite foods have some sort of product derived from animals, and that is exactly the problem. Almost all of our meals have some ingredient that comes from animals, but just because society has chosen to do it that way. However, it doesn't have to be. There are tons of alternatives out there. It's just a matter of making that change. Instead of cow's milk, you can try almond milk, soy milk, rice milk, coconut milk, and I could go on. The options are truly endless. And not just for milk, but for most foods too. I just share with you the basics of how veganism works. Next, I will tell you about the amazing health benefits you can get from it. Although you might worry that by going vegan, you will not get all the vitamins you need, the reality is that you can still get all of your nutrients from grains and other substitutes, plus many other more health benefits from it. Firstly, it can help you improve your heart health tremendously. As proven by a study in 2019, animal meat contains high levels of saturated fats, which can lead to high cholesterol levels, strokes, and coronary heart disease. Moreover, most plant-based food provide us with high amounts of fiber, as suggested by the AHA, which help us reduce gut health, improve gut health, and reduce risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, research indicates that meatless diet makes you up to 2 times less likely to get dementia and lowers your risks of getting cancer. One of people's main concerns is developing a B12 deficiency. This is a very important vitamin found in meat, but not in any natural plants. This is a vital vitamin for our system. Its important roles include helping blood and nerve cells stay healthy and preventing anemia. Nevertheless, in his investigation, My Vegan Diet, Be Healthy or Even Healthier, Jan Decker's, a bioethicist from Newcastle University, assures this is not a reason to eat flesh, as B12 vitamin binds with proteins in animal products, impeding absorption. Plus, if we can easily find many of it in other fortified foods, why would we kill an animal for it? It can be found in cereals, yeast, spreads, fortified soy and nut milk, and even in plant-based meat substitutes. I just told you the individual advantages of being vegan, so now I'll help you understand the greater good your seemingly small actions can contribute to. Just like every piece of a puzzle helps make the bigger picture, every animal product you don't buy helps make the earth a better place. So let me tell you about the greater impact you can have on the world. Numerous investigations on the relation between our diets and the climate change have proven that by switching to veganism, we can be part of the solution of the amounts of GHG emissions, the rapid increase in land and water scarcity, as well as global acidification and eutrophication levels. During their investigation, the Oxford University's research titled Analysis and Evaluation on Health and Climate Change Co-Benefits of a Dietary Change, published in 2016, Dr. Springman found that transitioning towards more plant-based diets could reduce global mortality rate by 6 to 10% and greenhouse gas emissions between 29 and 70% compared with a reference scenario in 2050. This means that your personal choice to compromise a piece of meat can not only help the environment, but can also literally help save lives. Some of the most important ethical reasons for becoming vegan include minimizing the scale of animal suffering, advocating for more peaceful and non-violent food harvesting methods, and demonstrating to the younger generations the importance of respecting the environment. I just told you all about how when we multiply one person's small actions by billions of people in the world, this all quickly add up. So now let's wrap things up. I just told you, first I explained what veganism is. Then I explored the personal benefits you can get from becoming vegan. And finally, I'll help you understand the greater good you can contribute to. Through my speech, I hope you understand the greater good you can contribute to and inspire you to give veganism a try. Lastly, if you think that your small actions are just another drop in the bucket, remember that it's the small gradual decisions each person makes that lead us all to greater results. Thank you.